Yo, what's up guys, it's Hector, back with another video. Have a sweet unboxing. It's already opened because they wanted to check out what it was, but if it's an unboxing, you know it's always going to be a Nike sneakers drop when I hit. I have another unboxing, hopefully on Monday if it comes in. It's going to be sweet and amazing, but it's already open, so let's just get into it. So, I hit on two things. I'm not going to say what yet, but I'm pretty sure you'll find out. Or really think about it, let it click. But I hit on the Travis Scott vest. Now, this is very heavy. It's very good quality. It's heavy material. So you can see on the right side, you have the Jordan brand logo right there. A little patch right here. And then we open it up. You can see we have Cactus Jack on the left side of the patch with a lot of pockets. It's very nice. I mean, you could use it for fishing. Pretty much just wear it as a normal vest. Have a lot of pockets. You can put a pocket knife. You could probably put a couple ounces of weed in there. Fishing stuff, you know, your phone, your wallet. A lot of good things. Obviously, it has the infrared, which makes it pop out more. Makes it even better. Very nice cuts and materials. The quality, the stitching is A1. This is an A1 quality. There hasn't been no Travis Scott things like this good in a long time. Well, for me, that I've seen. On the back side, we have Cactus Jack with Jordan brand imprinted and stitched on very nicely. There's no flaws on it. It's A1. I'm glad Jordan brand took their time with this and actually perfected it so it could actually like not look nice, you know. The infrared makes it pop out a lot. So when you're doing anything, you're wearing this, people are gonna notice. It could literally be dark and you'll see the infrared pop out bright, which is what I like about it. But for me, this was the must keep, as you can see. So you can see the pockets better. We have these two large pockets. Hold on. Two large pockets up front. These are huge. You could. This is like two phones. You could store 2 or 3 phones in each one. You know, we have another big one on the left side. You have another right big one, but you also have a little 2 extra small ones with the infrared lacing on them. But overall, this is a very nice, high quality brand. Video, you can see it has the Cactus Jack logo with the Jordan brand too. But overall, this is a very nice vest and it's good. You can see, so I can show y'all better. As you can see, I was in my slides, but it has the Jordan patch, the Jordan brand, size large, Cactus Jack. And then we have these little bags. Definitely put an ounce or 2 in there. Fit it in, small and nice. And you got the Cactus Jack with the Jordan brand on the back, which looks very nice. But that's pretty much it. See you on the next one.